Hello everyone, my name is Mars Aurel Astagina Vidaksa Mahendra, and today I'd like to share my personal opinion about my learning experience at BSI University at Kramat 98, one of main campus of Bina Sarana Informatika, located in Central Jakarta. In this video, I will tell you about what makes this university is special and why I enjoy studying in here. Binasarana Informatika is known as a digital creative campus. It focuses on modern education, especially in the fields of information technology, business communication, and creative media. I really agree with that because I have learned a lot of things at BSI University. So, here are a few opinions I'd like to share with you guys. First, there is a digital based learning. So, here we hybrid learning, online and offline classes. Even when the class is online, we usually have the practical assignment after the lecture explains the material. This really help us understand the lesson better. Since the major is software engineering, we often work on basic projects to apply what we've learned. For an example, we make a small application or website based on what we studying in the class. Doing this kind of project make me and my friends learn faster and become more confident with programming. And yeah, at first it was hard for me to adapt, but over time I realized it helped me become more independent and disciplined. Second, the university is creative and inclusive environment. We usually join seminar and take part in other main activities at this university. This activity help us to develop soft skill, improve communication, and gain new experience outside the classroom. For an example, sometimes there's a guest lecture from professional in the IT or business industry. Listening to their story is really inspiring and help us to understand what kind of skill we need for the future. That's one of the reasons why I like this university. There are so many interesting activities that support both our academic and personal growth. Also, I'd like to share my opinion about the lecturer. The lecturers in Best University are very friendly and super supportive. They explain the lesson clearly and always open to question, even outside of the class. I really appreciate how patient they are when we have difficulties understanding programming or technical subject. Some lecturers are even share their experience from the IT industry, which give us a real picture of how things work in the professional world. Because of them, learning here feel more enjoyable and meaningful. Third, this campus has a very strategic location, especially Kramat 98. First, because the public transport near the university. Second, there is many stall nearby, so we don't have to worry about where we eat. Third, there's a military and plant nearby which make the environment feel more comfortable and refreshing, especially when we take a break between the classes. So, that's all of my opinion about this university. My ad- if you plan to study at this university, here's my personal advice. Listen to what the lecturer explained or read an important thing in the notebook and it practice it away when you have free time, like when you're at home and yeah, like that. Oh yeah, and don't just listen. Try to apply what you learn because that's the best way to understand, and because you will not know when the big project will come. It will really help you avoid difficult later, especially when working on a big project. From my own experience, practicing early make a huge difference. You will find it easier to follow the lesson, even enjoy the process of learning. Overall, studying at University Best Ikramat 98 has been great experience for me. I've learned a lot, not only from the classes, but also from the seminar and activities that university provides. I believe this campus gives students good environment to grow, explore creativity, and prepare for their future career. That's all from me. Thank you for watching, and I hope this will give you better picture what it look like to study at University BSI Kramat in 98. See you next time.